Hi there. Welcome back to Technical Tips. Today, we're going to introduce the topic of Google Sheets formulas. Formulas can automate processes and complex calculations, saving time and reducing errors. Mastering formulas also makes it easier to interpret and present your data effectively. In today's example, you'll see how to take an entire column of sales data and automatically create the total sum in the bottom row. And this total sum will be 100% accurate all the time, even as you edit your data. Additionally, we'll also automatically calculate the daily average of your sales. So let's jump right in. Here is the data sheet that we will use that represents your daily sales for a week. There is a separate row for each day. Also, the first column lists the day, and the second column lists your sales revenue for each day. All right, now we want to calculate the total sales for the entire week. Instead of manually adding up each day, we can use a simple formula. Let's do this step by step. We want the total at the bottom of the table, so let's add a label called total here at the bottom. Then, beneath your sales data, let's create a formula. To tell Sheets that you are creating a formula, start by typing an equal sign. Formulas always begin with an equal sign. For the sales total, we will use Sheets' built-in function called sum, which adds together all the numbers you specify in your table, in this case, all the sales revenue from Monday to Sunday, which are located in cells numbered B2 through B8. So, type sum, then open parenthesis, B2, B8, close parenthesis, then finish with the Enter key. And voila, you've got your total sales for the week. See how easy that was? With just a few clicks, we have our total sales of $1,400. Formulas like these are incredibly powerful and can save you tons of time. By the way, there is a simpler way to select all your sales numbers instead of typing in the B2 and B8 cell references by clicking and dragging. Let's try that. First, delete your formula to start over. Then, start with the equal sign and sum again and open parenthesis. Then simply click and drag the mouse from the first cell through to the last cell that you want to add together. Release the mouse, then type the close parenthesis and enter. Same results, but that was a bit faster than typing everything. Now let's do another formula to calculate the average sales per day. We can use another built-in function called average to help us. Let's enter an average label here below the total label. As usual, start with an equal sign, then enter average, open parenthesis, then click and drag from B2 to B8, close parenthesis, then enter. Boom. Now you have the average sales per day, which is $200. Sheets formulas can get a lot more complex, but even these simple ones can make a big difference in your productivity. From basic arithmetic to complex financial models, the possibilities are endless. I hope this video has inspired you to start using formulas in your Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and check out some of these other videos for more tips and tricks. Also, leave a comment below with what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching.